So working on flexion and extension of the spine, moving from this child's pose into this cobra pose. We start in this flexion, hands can come forward, hips back towards the heels as best they can, maybe the head can come down, chin tucks in. As you breathe in, I push into the floor and I slowly lift my hips away and let the hips slowly drop forward. If this is where you're comfortable at the moment, keep pushing down into the floor with the hands, or maybe let the hips drop and the spine extends. As you breathe in, pull the hips back and then exhale to sit back. You'll find a good rhythm with the breathing as you go. Spend a few seconds in each position. I inhale forward, then exhale to let the hips drop. Maybe hold and breathe in and out a few cycles. And I use my in-breath. I squeeze my glutes to pull away. Exhale back, hips to heels. Head can come down, arms can come down to the floor. We'll do one more. So as you breathe in, I lift up, hips away from heels. Squeezing my glutes as they come down, pushing through the floor actively with the hands, getting that back bend. Then I inhale to lift up out of there, then exhale to drop the hips back. Flexion, extension of the spine, moving from this child's pose into cobra.